Dear friends, this is Priyanshu and I would like to welcome you once again with the same topic called IELTS, IELTS, which is also known as the International English Language Testing System. And today I will be sharing something interesting about the reading module. How can you achieve a good score in that? And also we'll be covering many more things in the video. Well, let's get started. Well, my dear friends, let's talk about something about a reading module test. Well, the reading module test is one of the must test which is done in the IELTS and which shows about your pronunciation, how much do you know about the words, how much do you know about the spellings. This all is clear in the reading module, and if you are in the academic category, then also you will have to give the test regarding your academic skills. Well, my dear friends, if you are prepared from the academic category, then you have to be prepared by the diagrams, about the words, about the pronunciation. And why diagrams? Well, let's have a look on the image. Well, I would like to show you the image. It is an example how the test takers will gonna give you a diagram and you have to read the passage and you have to read it and then you have to solve it as well. Well, let's have a look on the screen. You will be able to see the image. This one. Okay. As you can see over there, it is written the right prefrontal cortex light up to area of brain linked to this. A short image is taken from a paragraph, a big paragraph. Well, that's why the numbers are arranged the serial wise. As you can see at the last, it is written over there that Cambridge 5 test 2 reading passage number 2. Well, this image is taken by the passage number 2, and as you can see over here, it is a question from the passage that orbital prefrontal cortex is activated, involved with dash. As you can see, the arrow is pointing to the I, and if we move to the next, then dash becomes active too. What becomes? There is the, as you can see the arrow is pointing towards your center of the brain, the inner center of your brain, where your backbone is connecting to the brain. What that part is called? Well, these kind of images will be shown. Well, let's see the next image, which is also from a passage, and this is not only about the academics diagrams which is prepared by you in your academics, but also you can see the image. As in this image, this is the question number 9 from the 13th part, and the passage number 1. The label the diagram below. Choose no more than 2 words from the passage for each answer. These kind of sentence may usually distracts you from your answers. And also, well, let's look ahead what the question actually telling about. Mainly in the diagrams, you get to know and you get to answer those kind of questions which are pointed by a diagram, by the arrow lines, and sometimes it does not. Now let's move to the general category. Well, my dear friends, the general category is the one of the test which is done by most of the people who want to go for work or something like, right? Then what they have to do, they have to be practiced by their pronunciation, by their spellings, by their words which are usually pronounced in the normal contactive topics. For example, you can say about the conversation between two people. Those kind of reading assessment, the reading passage occurs. Well, the kind of conversation means about all those things, about in between the conversation of a manager and a client, whether that would be a bank manager to the client, whether that would be a booking a waitress and a client. Then these kind of conversation comes for reading, and then you have to fill the blanks. So after reading all the passage, then this kind of questions comes, and if you want really prepared, then the grammar is a must in it. Well, what you have to do in the grammar, you have to be prepared with all those habits about the words pronunciation, the words like misspelling words. For example, accept and accept, ACCEPT. Accept means I accept it. Say that accept it, I just want to accept it and I want to move the next. Then these kind of words comes in the form of misspellings, and you have to be prepared with all the grammars. Well, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you might have admired the video. Then just leave a like, leave a comment, and do share the video as much as you can, and do subscribe the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. And signing out, Priyanshu. Thank you.